Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'll show you how to replace batteries in your Mercedes key. This key is for Mercedes CLK 500, but most likely if you have similarly looking key, the procedure will be the same. This key requires two lithium CR2025 batteries. I will be using Energizer 2025 lithium. First, we will need to remove the mechanical key. To remove the mechanical key, you need to slide this tab this direction and at the same time pull the key out. So as I'm sliding the tab and pulling the key out, now I have the key out. If you look inside of the key, you will see gray slide. That's the locking device for the battery compartment. So this is the battery compartment. We will need to push that gray slide and at the same time pull the battery compartment out. For this demonstration, I will be using the mechanical key. So as I'm pushing mechanical key with one hand, I'm pulling the battery compartment out at the same time. So now we have the battery compartment out. And we have two CR2025 batteries here. Also, there is a small indicator right here that shows the polarity. So the plus shows up. Now we have to remove old batteries. As we removed two old batteries, we will install the new batteries. They go the same direction. So now we have two new batteries in. Now we have to reinstall this battery compartment into the key. And as we inserting, that gray bar moves and locks it. So now we have the battery compartment installed. And now you have to push the mechanical key back in and it clicks. So now we have batteries, new batteries in our key. Thank you for watching.